This is the final match in what has already been a brutal series between CM Punk and Drew McIntyre. This is the 53rd match in history being settled inside this 20-foot-high steel structure.
This is the only place it could have ended between these two. Drew has vowed to destroy the man who taught him how to hate. Punk knows in order to destroy the monster, he has to become a monster.
Bam! Suplex!
This is not wholly unfamiliar territory, psychologically speaking, for CM Punk. If you look back to Punk's career, once upon a time, he admitted in order to destroy the monsters of the world, he himself must become a monster. He said Drew McIntyre has made him the man his worst critics say he is.
Punk has said this airborne! Oh, a soul-crushing splash.
Oh my God, in the spine!
That'll make your legs go numb. Side of CM Punk's head is a scary, scary place.
Opened up the floodgates.
Uh-oh, sweet dreams coming!
Go to sleep! No way Drew's getting up now.
Punk now calling for the end here. This could be it for Drew.
Opponent lifted up. Jaw, meet me.
Go to sleep. It's all Punk.
Punk scaling the turnbuckles.
Wants to finish this.
From the top, double axe handle connects. Not be the man CM Punk wants to be, but this is who CM Punk has been. Who CM Punk is in his heart. No fear, no hope. Fight tonight like there's no tomorrow, because for Punk, there may not be.
And Punk, you think you're supernatural, but you are nothing but a man.
And CM Punk is leaving no breathing room here.
Punk finding the will to turn the tides inside the cell. He's got McIntyre reeling.
And you notice the black armband on the left bicep of McIntyre. He told us he was wearing that tonight because this was Punk's funeral. He was wearing black out of, quote, respect for CM Punk.
McIntyre. Punk now lifted. Uh-oh. Quick escape from danger there.
Placing him in the corner.
Up and over they go.
Oh, what a kick!
Drew saw the up and over coming. We all knew this wasn't going to be a 5-star.
And a backstabber!
Wait.
Stopping the count, and I don't know.
Swinging neckbreaker connects. Oh, stiff wrench shot. Boom.
Quick evasion from him there.
Oh, looking like patches over. About to be locked in. Here we go, guys.
And he locks. Not sure what he's thinking. Letting go.
The arm now.
Able to fight out with a punch to the face.
Future shot DDT. Drew has to. Punk now locking in the Anna.
He lets his opponent out of the submission. Looking to explore every inch of hell here now.
Retrieving a wrench from underneath the ring.
Punk missed with a wrench and a low blow by McIntyre.
And remember, that is completely legal. It is distasteful, but it's highly effective, and all the wind knocked out of Punk's sails.
Who cares about being tasteful when you're locked inside of Hell in a Cell, Wade? Drew McIntyre came here to destroy Punk once and for all.
And now McIntyre going to introduce the steel steps into this matchup. The Scottish Warrior, this Terminator, just destroying Punk.
Well, you wanted hell, Punk? You're getting hell. You are locked in there, no escape, and your demise may be imminent.
Punk trying to summon the will to continue, and what does McIntyre have inside of that little bag, gentlemen?
I can only imagine what the sicko has in mind.
The Scottish psychopath cooking up something dastardly, no doubt.
Oh my God, the disrespect.
Adding insult to injury.
Those are the beads of Punk's bracelet.
We're the beads of Punk's bracelet. And McIntyre now looking to just finally put Punk away. No!
McIntyre might have just broken his back.
Oh God, the sharp edge of that steel digging in to the lower back of McIntyre, who may be crippled. And now with the upper hand is CM Punk.
This is one of the most brutal matches I've ever witnessed inside Hell in a Cell.
Punk trying to shove those beads down McIntyre's throat. Here it comes, the end.
GTS connects. Cover off the go to sleep by Punk. And he got him. What a win, what a match. CM Punk earned this victory.
Such a drawn-out, heated rivalry, but finally conquering McIntyre is CM Punk.